Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Today we have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and we are going to remove the rear bumper for it. So to begin, let me tell you, there are 3 screws here. Those are the plastic screws. You have to remove that, and there are 3 on the other side, and then there are 10 millimeters bolts. One, this is the 2, this is the third one, and on the other side 1, 2 and 3, and the same 3 plastic screws on the wheel well on the other side of the tire. So, and after that there are 4 plastic push pins under the under the bumper. So we are going to, first of all, and also remember that we have to remove the tail lights in order to remove the bumper. So we're going to use that 10 millimeter screws. One, two, and that's the third one. And now we come to this side. Put your hands there so you don't lose them. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna go down and remove the push pins. So you need this clip remover and something like that, and a small flathead in case they're stubborn. So I'm gonna show you first where are those 4 screws. Push pins. This is 1, that's 2, that's the 3, and that's the 4. So let's remove this one. These are the 4 bars. Okay, so now there are these 3 plastic screws. You just need to put something like that and then use the stubby screwdriver to remove that. 1, same here. 2, here the screwdriver does not fit, so I'm going to use that stubby ratchet. So these 3, and then you can remove those inside clips. And the same thing on the other side. And I also removed the same from this side, 1, 2 and 3, and you can see like this is the dent which I'm trying to remove, and for that I have to remove the bumper. So now we are ready to remove the bumper. Okay, so before we remove the bumper, we have to remove those tail lights. So just use a prying tool so you don't damage the color paint, and then you just like pull it towards your side. So there's the first one, and okay, we leave it here like that for now, and we're gonna remove the other one. Just lose it a little bit and then put the prior tool here, and then you see these are two holes where these pins they're gonna go, and then they're just gonna hold it. Okay, so in order to disconnect this light from the source, there's a red clip. You just like push it that way towards the outside, and then behind that there's a small black tab. You just press it, and then you just pull it like that, and now the light becomes off. You can put it away, and you do the same thing on the other side. And okay, now there are two more plastic push-in clips which you have to remove. So one is over here, and the one is on that side. You also have to remove that, but they are visible only when you remove the light. So you just remove that. So these are the ones, and this is the tab. Okay, so now all the bolts and clips are off. We should be okay to remove the bumper now. So pull it from the sides, and then just remove it like that. So here's the bumper. Okay, so now we're going to put it back the same way we got it. Remember those tabs. Okay, so there you're gonna just put it back. And remember to push that clip there. Okay, now we're gonna put the light, and you have to put the same clip on the other side. Okay, so in the same way you removed it, just push it back, and there's a red slider button, just push that in. So this is secure now, and make sure like these two, they go into these two holes. Just align them, and then just push it in. Like so. And now you're gonna put those two bolts, 1, 2, and third there. So this is the first one. Just tighten it with the hands first. This is the second, 10 mm. And then there's the third one. And then just go ahead and tighten them. 1, 2, 3, Okay, so now we have to put those 3 screws. Just push it. 1, 2, and then this is the 3, and then you just have to tighten them with the stubby. That's it, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're just going to push them back. Okay, so that's it. All 4 are in. Okay, folks, so that is how you remove and replace the rear bumper of the Dodge Grand Caravan. It goes, I believe, from 2011 to 2015, so not too hard. So that's it. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.